Welcome. I am Nandini Verma along with my teammates, and today I am excited to walk you through CultivaSense, an AI powered agricultural intelligence platform built right here for Indian farmers. Agriculture is the backbone of India's economy. Yet, millions of farmers still rely on guesswork and traditional methods. Unpredictable weather, degrading soil, crop diseases, and unstable market prices. These challenges hit hard. CultivaSense changes that. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how our platform gives farmers a data driven superpowers from smart crop recommendations to disease detection, market price predictions, financial planning, and even an AI chatbot. Now let's dive in. So, what's the real problem? Farmers often don't know which crop will grow in their soil, what disease is killing their plants, what price their harvest will fetch next month, whether their investment will even break an existing systems. The soil health card scheme gives raw data but no actionable recommendations. Language barrier blocks access and no single platform brings everything together. That's why we built CultivaSense, one unified platform with 5 powerful modules. Number 1, Smart Crop Recommendation. Number 2, Crop Disease Detection. Number 3, Market Price Prediction. And number 4, Financial ROI Calculator. And an AI Agricultural Advisor. Let me show you how each one works, starting with our homepage. Here's a landing page, clean, modern, and fully responsive. Now, let's start with our core feature, that is the crop recommendation. Farmers input just 7 parameters: the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, that is the soil's nutrient profile, the pH level, humidity, temperature, and rainfall. It works with sample data and also with the current location data. And boom, the system recommends muskmelon with high confidence. But here's what makes us different. We don't just give a name. Now look at this. We show you your values versus ideal values for each parameter. Notice nitrogen is low and needs to be fixed. Now we flag that. And we provide interactive recovery solutions, specific fertilizer recommendations, dosages, and application schedules. This is powered by a random forest classifier trained on over 2,200 agricultural samples, achieving 95% accuracy across 22 different crops, from rice and wheat to cotton, coffee, and apples. Farmers no longer guess, now they know. Next, we have the crop disease detection. Let me upload a sample, the detect disease. And yes, the results appear. Now look at that, detected with 87% confidence. But the real value? Scroll down. Complete treatment plan from cultural practices to organic fungicides. We even tell farmers how to apply and when. Next, we come across the market price prediction. Module 3, the market price prediction. So, farmers often sell at the wrong time because they don't know future prices. Our random forest regressor predicts prices across 8 crop categories in 13 Indian states, including Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and more. Let me predict for crop rice, state Punjab, month November, rainfall being 50 and temperature being 22. The model predicts approximately 2,886 rupees per quintal plus We show which month gives the best price for the crop in the state, weather-based trend analysis, seasonal demand insights. Notice how our feature importance analysis shows type. Notice how our feature importance analysis shows crop type drives 78.8% of price variation followed by temperature and month. Now farmers can plan should they sell now, store for later or negotiate better. This isn't guesswork, this is data driven selling power. Next, we come across financial ROI calculator. Module 4, and this is my personal favorite, the financial ROI calculator. Technology is useless if it doesn't answer one question: will I make money? Now let me plan a rice crop on 2 acres. Expected yield 2500 kg per acre. Selling price expected 25. Selling price being 2200 per quintal. The land area being 2 acres. Cost breakdowns being for seeds 2000, for fertilizers 4000, for labor 5000, and for other it's 1000. Now let's calculate the ROI. Now look at this complete breakdown. Farmers can compare scenarios instantly. Should they invest in better seeds, higher yield, different crop? The calculator tells them and answers each of these questions. Next, we have an AI agricultural advisor powered by Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. Now, most farmers can't access agricultural experts. Language barriers, cost, distance, it's impossible. Now, watch this. I'll ask my rice leaves are turning yellow at the edges. So here we have our answer. Hello, yellowing at the edges of your rice leaves often suggests a potassium deficiency. While your soil has medium potassium, the plant might need more during its current growth phase. I recommend applying a potassium-rich fertilizer, and so on this goes. Now, for a farmer in rural areas with a simple smartphone, this AI is like having an agricultural expert in their pocket 24/7. Here we have another question, that should I plant potato today? And this is what the AI answers with. It checks for the soil conditions using the soil API and the weather conditions using the open weather API. It says it's a great question for CultivaSense. While your soil pH and nutrient levels are looking good for potatoes, which means the AI has already detected the weather and the soil conditions, the current temperature of nearly 31 degrees Celsius, and it prefers cooler conditions for sprouting of potato and early growth. And in future, we are planning it to make multilingual, supporting various regional languages along with Hindi and English. Now let me quickly make you understand what's happening under the hood. Now we built CultivaSense using Flask backend, Lightning fast Python web framework, random forest classifier, and regressor for predictions. computer vision for disease detection, Google Gemini API for conversational AI, Open Weather Map API for real-time weather. Now, our models are trained on real datasets, over 2,200 soil samples, 32 disease classes, comprehensive market data spanning 13 states. The crop recommendation model achieves 95% accuracy. The price prediction model captures 78% variance from crop type alone. So, CultivaSense is an empowering Indian agriculture with AI, upcoming with more versions, with more features loaded. Thank you.